In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a custom image slider using a third-party tool. This is a great way to add a dynamic visual element to your website, and it's easier than you might think. Let's dive into the process step by step so that you can seamlessly integrate this feature onto your web page. First, you need to select a third-party service like Common Ninja, which is renowned for its easy-to-use tools for building image sliders. These platforms provide a range of templates and customization options, so feel free to explore and experiment until you find the combination that best matches your vision and website design. Once you're satisfied with how your slider looks, the next step is to navigate to the option that allows you to add the slider to your website. This option is often labeled as Add to Website or Publish. This is where you'll find the embed code that is crucial for the next steps. With the embed code now copied, head over to your hosting or editor, which is where you'll actually place your slider onto your web page. In the editor, locate the Add Elements panel. In this panel, there's an option for embed code. Click and drag this element directly onto your web page to define where exactly you want your image slider to appear. It's important to mention that access to the embed code element typically requires an upgraded Hostinger plan, so ensure that your plan supports this feature before proceeding. Once the embed code element is in place, you'll want to adjust its size to perfectly suit the area you've designated for your slider. This is an opportunity to play around with dimensions, ensuring it fits aesthetically within your page's layout while also being functional and easy for users to interact with. Next comes the moment of integration. In the settings of the embed code element you just resized, you'll want to paste the embed code you previously copied from your third-party tool. Double-check to ensure that you've pasted the correct code, as any errors might lead to display issues or the slider not functioning properly. Finally, after you've pasted your embed code, it's crucial to save or update your website. This might sound like an obvious step, but it's one that can easily be overlooked in the excitement of the moment. By saving or updating, you're making the changes live for all visitors to see. Make sure to refresh your web page and test the slider to verify that everything is working smoothly and looking great. And there you have it. With this approach, you've successfully added a custom image slider to your website, enhancing its functionality and visual appeal. Don't forget to frequently revisit and update your slider content to keep your web page fresh and engaging for visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy web designing!